Welcome to the Getting Started with Your First Project in DC Survey. Okay, you've installed the program and the program is running. What you see is the initial survey screen. Notice that the Find or Start Project button is blinking to get your attention. There are several buttons that have been deactivated simply to direct your activity. Let's click on the Find or Start Project button. This brings up the new project form, and the project name field is active and ready for an entry of a new project, or should this be your second time to return, existing projects are in this list in the dialog box in the lower right corner. To get started, let's click on DC Example. This retrieves all the existing points for the project and places the project name in the top of the form. As you become more experienced, this form allows you to change locations where you either look for or create new projects so that you can stay organized in some of your efforts. Once you've selected a project or created a project and it's brought into the project form, the Go to Survey button is highlighted to draw your attention to that next step. This brings you back to the survey screen and plots the points. In the trial versions, you'll note that only 15 points can be displayed at any one time. But you'll also notice that all of the activity icons are now active, and you have a fully functioning DC Survey project. Once again, should you want to start new, let's go back to the Find and Start Projects. It's ready for a new one. Let's create one. One criteria in naming projects is they must start with an alpha character. It's a limitation in the database software that is internal to this program, that it finds projects that begin with an alpha character and not numeric. You'll also note that when you place a space bar, it immediately puts an underline in so that you have no gaps in your project name. In this case, my particular convention is projects that are in the year 2015 and they are sequential, but let's pick 200. Once you've typed in what you want, you can press enter. That says, do you want to create this project? Yes, we do. It creates a 10,000 point and wants to go back to survey. You can, in this form, do imports, copy projects, editing points, deleting points. All of these buttons are available and the activities can be done here. But let's go to the survey. You'll see that it created 1 point. It also gave you 1 text field. We'll talk about text in the future. But this is how you start a project. Thank you.